Single seed potato challenge, huge spud, or it would have been.
Yeah.
Except it's hollow, totally hollow. That would have been
A good
900 grams, 1,000.
We could have
And
saved that.
Olivia agrees, don't you, Olivia? Yeah. Oh, you're right, guys. Up the allotment on a very unseasonal, warm Sunday morning in October. I was all ready to lift these runner beans out this week, but they've still got flowers on. So I'm going to leave them another week or two, just see what happens. I want some big ones today. I want to get some just for my Sunday roast, and I got some carrots to get. I want to cut the corn down and get some broad beans and peas planted. So let me just get some beans for runner beans and then get on with some allotment work. Yeah, that'll do. I don't want to be too greedy, do I? I'll have a few more later then. Right, let's get a couple of carrots and then we do some proper gardening. Oh, I've just seen this as well. I was ready to lift the zephyr squash, but oh, another one. Oh, and there's one more growing, so I'm going to leave that. Ow, spiky. Going to leave that in another week. I've still got flowers coming, mind. Yeah. Oh, let's grab a few carrots as well. These are Autumn King. Oh, very nice. I only want a couple. I'm taking the larger ones from the clusters, and then the little ones can get a bit bigger, can't they? There we are. 3 enough, one more. There's a big one on the end here. And that's going to be... always coming. Yeah, that'll do. Okay, now I've just tidied this bed up here a bit. Got rid of a load of these plot neighbour strawberries that were coming right over. They were up to here. Anyway, broad beans and peas, and the broad beans are the overwintering classic Aqua Dolce Claudia. I've been researching about the peas a little bit, and although most peas will overwinter, the best ones are the round peas, the peas that are round when they're dry, and one of those is Meteor, and I've got some Meteor. So what I've done, I just soaked them for a couple of hours, just give them a head start, just in case it gets dry. I don't think it will, but you know. And I'm going to do broad beans there and peas there. I'm just going to dib a hole, pop them in, cover them over, and then put a net over the top, pretty tight, fine net, just to stop any rodents. Don't really have an awful rodent problem here, touch wood. But you never know, do you? I want them pretty close together anyway, and about 2 inches deep. Nothing easier than gardening like this, is it? Just drop it in. Right, I'm going to leave these holes open for now, just so I know where I got to. And peas, I'm just going to drag 2 little lines, you know, and then drop them in. Yeah. Yeah, that'll do. Nothing too fancy there, Steve-o. Yeah, I reckon that'll do. Here we are then, corn down. Oh, we're all right, guys. It's like one of those David Bellamy moments off Tiz was, isn't it? I crossed a bean with a thistle and I got a spiked runner. Anyway, it's time to freshen up the Vegepod again. The bomb's going over. It's got some sort of spotty disease. Don't know what it is really. Yeah, anyway, it's I'll tell you what, I've had so many balmy teas out of this. I'm not going to save it. I want to do something different for the winter. Oh, got one little radish left, so I'll have that. Put that with you. And the chilli. Now I was going to save this chilli, but nice as it is, we'll see when it comes out. We'll see when it comes out. I'll trim it back and see what it looks like. It's okay, but they are just that little bit too small, you know what I mean? Anyway, let's get this all cleaned out and replanted. I've got a few ideas what to put in, so I'll speed you up on this. Oh, that smells lovely. Mixture of lemon and orange balm. Oh. I'll be growing that again in the spring, don't worry. And do some more outside this time. Okay, put that to one side for a minute. We'll deal with that later. There's so many roots in this, I'm going to start from scratch with the compost. But waste not, want not. That'll be good on the allotment. Oh, I'm going to give this a wipe out. Bit of Mother Earth compost, some perlite. Give it a mixing in. Can't remember how much I used last time. That looks all right. Right, now which way round? I want the float there like I did last time. So put the tray in. Yep. Still working? Yeah. What I want to do actually is give that a quick wipe. A bit dirty. There we are. Okay then. Ooh-cha. Load it up, as they say. Some more, Steve-o. Nearly there, nearly there. I'm going to put a bit too much in because it will settle down a bit. I don't want to tamp it down. I want to get it to find its own level. In fact, just about all of it out of there anyway. So, what's that? 8 scoops. Remember that for next time. 8 scoops of compost, 4 scoops of perlite. Oh, it'll take too long. So what have I got to put in? I hear you ask. Right, first off, this is the front here. So, I don't think it really matters, to tell you the truth. Couple of lemon drop basil, they were very nice. I got some going, stood out in the front Vegepod. Let's put a couple of each. Don't go too deep with these, do we? Because they're a bit. Just a couple. Right, I'm going to write. I got these sticks. These are from my kids' half sister Jordan. She does a lot of wood burning, and she made these up for the herbs. I got a few more, but I'm not. Oh, I got basil there. Like yeah. I'm not got any more herbs to put them in at the moment, so I'll use them in here. I'll just write on the back of them. She's burnt on there basil. So if I put lemon drop next to it. Here we are. I'll know what it is, won't I? Brilliant. Right, else we got waffling now, see. I got one unknown lettuce seed from RZ. I don't know, it fell on the floor, so I'm just going to poke him in there. I don't know what it is, no idea. Leave it there. And we've got 2 more types of lettuce to go in the middle. Curio, which did very, very well the first time round with the kitchen garden, and Rosa di Trento. So you got that there, you got that there, you got that there. Yeah, let's do a couple there. I don't want too many. 3, I'll just do 3. These are both cut and come again types. In fact, what do I do? Trying to work this out, Steve, so hang on. Yeah, let's do 3 across the back and 3 across the front. There'll be better spacing then. Here we go across the back. Rose, not Rossa. Rossa at the front, that'll do. Right. I can always thin them out, can't I? Here we are. Brilliant. That's it, guys. I'll top it up with water. Up to about the middle, it recommends. Don't go too high. Lower the lid down and keep it on the germination. Should be warm enough indoors for it. 20 odd degrees in my kitchen, isn't it?